In this Learn and Speak Tamil Like a Native, we are going to see words and phrases related to the interior of a house. This is the fifth part of 1000 Daily Tamil Phrases. If you want to access my other videos, please click in the description below. You'll find all the details. Or if you want to learn more Tamil, there's a very step-by-step videos which also you'll find in the description. The first phrase is someone is standing at the entry. வாசல்ல யாரோ நிற்கிறாங்க. வாசல்ல means in the entry. யாரோ நிற்கிறாங்க. Someone is standing. Someone is standing at the entry. You can also learn one vocabulary here, which is vasal, which is the entry to a place, which is more we use for a house. Vasal. வாசல்ல யாரோ நிற்கிறாங்க. I left the keys hanging in the door. சாவி கதவுல மாட்டி இருக்கேன். சாவி கதவுல மாட்டி இருக்கேன். சாவி means key. கதவு, this is another word for you to learn. கதவு means door. சாவி கதவுல மாட்டி இருக்கேன். I've left the keys hanging in the door. சாவி கதவுல மாட்டி இருக்கேன். If you open the windows, you'll get air. ஜன்னலை திறந்தா காத்து வரும். ஜன்னலை திறந்தா காத்து வரும். Jannal is another word for you to learn. Jannal means window. Jannala taranda, if you open the door. I have made a video to explain sentences with if. You can find in the playlist. Jannala taranda, kaathu varum. Kaathu is air. Varum will come. So you'll get breeze if you open the door. If you open the window. Jannala taranda, kaathu varum. I have already made 75 lessons, all in different colors denoting different lessons. Purple means grammar, green means beginner lessons, dark blue means conversation. You can benefit out of them. All the details you'll find them in the description below. Now let us move on to the next phrase. The lights are on in the prayer room. The lights are on. Puja arayila. Puja arayila means the prayer room or the place where you have the pictures of God. Puja arayila velakku eriyudu. Velakku means the light is still on. Velakku eriyudu. Puja arayila velakku eriyudu. Puja aray is another vocabulary for you to learn. Puja aray means a room for rituals and prayers. Puja arayila velakku eriyudu. I have placed it in a corner. Ada மூலையில் வச்சிருக்கேன். Ada means that one. மூலையில் in the corner. So மூலை is corner. Ada மூலையில் வச்சிருக்கேன். I placed it in a corner. Ada மூலையில் வச்சிருக்கேன். There are 2 rooms upstairs. There are 2 rooms upstairs. மாடியில் means in the upstairs. That is we are talking about on the floors above you. So that means madi. Madi means higher floors. The floors above you is madi. Rendu ara irukku. Rendu is 2, ara is room. Madile rendu ara irukku. There are 2 rooms upstairs. Keep that in the room. Ada arayila vachidu. So this is more of a order. Ada arayila vachidu. Keep that in the room. Ada arayila vachidu. Aray is room. It is hot and humid in the kitchen. Samayal arayila. So samayal aray is another word for you to learn. Samayal aray means the kitchen. Samayal means cooking. Aray is room, the cooking room, that is the kitchen. Samayal arayila pulukama irukku. It is humid and hot. Samayal arayila pulukama irukku. Water does not flow in the bathroom. Kuliyal arayila thanni poga maatadu. Kuliyal ara means the bathroom, the place where you take bath. Kuliyal is taking bath. Ara குளியல் அறையில் தண்ணி போக மாட்டது. The water doesn't flow. We have a large garden behind our house. வீட்டுக்கு பின்னாடி பெரிய தோட்டம் இருக்கு. வீட்டுக்கு பின்னாடி, that is behind the house. பெரிய means big. தோட்டம் இருக்கு. தோட்டம் is another word for you to learn. தோட்டம் means garden. தோட்டம். வீட்டுக்கு பின்னாடி பெரிய தோட்டம் இருக்கு. The wall is damp due to rain. மழையில சுவர் நனைஞ்சு இருக்கு. மழையில means in the rain. Because of the rain. மழையில சுவர், that is the wall, நனைஞ்சு இருக்கு. It has become wet. நனைஞ்சு means wet. It has become. நனைஞ்சு இருக்கு. சுவர் means wall. The wall is damp due to rain. மழையில சுவர் நனைஞ்சு இருக்கு. Mind the steps. படிக்கட்டு. பார்த்து. படிக்கட்டு means the steps. பார்த்து. பார்த்து is a word we use to say, oh, be careful. படிக்கட்டு. பார்த்து means, oh, there's a stair. Be careful. படிக்கட்டு. பார்த்து. படிக்கட்டு means steps. So, when we say that, we say, படிக்கட்டு. பார்த்து. Don't sit on the floor. தரையில் உட்காராதீங்க. தரையில் உட்காராதீங்க. உட்காராதீங்க means we are talking to more, either as a respect or we are talking to more than one person. தரையில் உட்காராதீங்க. தரை means floor. தரையில் means in the floor. தரையில் உட்காராதீங்க or don't sit on the floor. Don't sit on the floor. தரையில் உட்காராதீங்க. It is hot in the terrace. மொட்டை மாடியில் உஷ்ணமாக இருக்கு. மொட்டை மாடியில் means மொட்டை மாடி means the terrace. மொட்டை மாடியில் means in the terrace or on the terrace. உஷ்ணமாக இருக்கு. It is hot. மொட்டை மாடியில் உஷ்ணமாக இருக்கு. The wind blew the roof off. The wind blew the roof off. காத்துல கூரை பறந்து போச்சு. காத்துல means by the wind or through the wind. கூரை, that is the roof, and because it flew away, it's blown away, we are talking about a more flimsy thatched roof. கூரை பறந்து போச்சு. பறந்து போச்சு means it's blown away. It flew away. கூரை means roof. கூரை is more the word we use for a roof of a building, and கூரை, that is the word. காத்துல கூரை பறந்து போச்சு. Don't lean on the pillars. தூணுல சாயாத. தூணுல சாயாத means on the pillars. சாயாத, don't lean. தூண் means pillar. தூணுல சாயாத. Close the window. ஜன்னல் கதவை சாத்து. ஜன்னல் கதவு is window door. In English we just say window, which means it's just inclusive of the frame as well as it's just the window, which means also the door. In Tamil we sometimes say jannal kadavu, that is the each unit, that is the door of the window. Jannal kadavu saathu, close it. Hope you have learned a few useful phrases. If you like the video, be sure to subscribe and press the bell icon to be notified of new videos. If you have any suggestions, write them in the comment section. If you want any clarification, you can add them as well in the comment section. All the best with your Tamil learning. Have a nice day. Vanakkam, Varthakal.